I came home and I brought my parents some spices from, well, Pittsburgh, but they're Indian recipe from my friend at Anar Gourmet, and it's very easy with the instructions because I am Italian and I don't know how to make Indian food, but this is very easy. We're going to make the seafood curry, and we have tuna, some peas, oil, onions, tomatoes, jalapeno, which is optional but we like it, and then coconut. First we add the onions. So first we use the step 1 spices, and we mix well. And then we add the tomatoes and we stir very well. We used some big chunks of tomatoes that are our favorites in Italy, so that's what we did. And then we add the jalapeno, which we cut into tiny pieces, and we add the coconut milk, and we keep stirring nicely. And then finally we are adding tuna, in this case, cut in pieces, and then we will add also the vegetables. See, and then we are adding, in this case, peas, because we had peas in the house already. But you could also add the green beans or other veggies to your taste. With the coconut, we raise the flame and we let it go for 3 to 4 minutes according to the instructions. And once we add everything, we will cook for 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish is perfectly cooked to taste. My mom is making her very good basmati rice. And here it is, ready to be served. Right, ready to try. Really good, excellent as usual. Thank you, Priya.